Good afternoon to all. Let me move me around, you guys, if I can. Want to get me actually out of the way. I'm on the recorder. It's actually, let's see, Friday around noontime. I'm jumping on. Need to do some tutorials for you all, and in regards to my business partner, Deborah Waldron, and like I said, for anyone who actually could benefit from this, I'm actually recording on my Samsung tablet. I just figured out what all was actually going on and have been going on. I'm always, like I said, learning something. If you do follow me, you know I love to actually learn something new every day, and believe me, I'm actually always learning something. I just recently learned how to record on my tablet, and as you can see right now, I actually have 2 screens up, so I actually just learned how to pull up 2 screens as well. So what the topic I'm going to be talking about today, the tutorial, is in regards to something I found maybe a couple months ago in regards to Canva. If you do follow me, you do see I have a lot of marketing, and a lot of my marketing comes from Canva. I do love Canva. I'm actually still learning. They always actually showing you something new in regard to marketing, so I do actually love Canva, but I'm going to be going over Canva today in regards to, they just recently launched a new feature. In other words, that would actually help you in regards to your scheduling. In other words, is I'm a proactive person. I actually hate it, how you say, kind of like bouncing around and being all over the place. And believe me, I actually been there more than once, and how it can actually drive you crazy, and you really actually don't get a lot done in regards to time management, in regards to your business or anything in life. So I did actually find this new feature, a cool feature that I love in regards to help you schedule. So in Canva, so I want to be talking about it today. Right now you actually see me have my Facebook pulled up as well as my Canva, because I'll actually be showing you, I'm going to be using an example in regards to Canva. First of all, let's just actually go over here to Canva. This is my Canva. If you can see, it's actually my account. You actually have, of course, have to have a Canva account. You can actually have the free one. Actually, it works just well if you want to upgrade to a Premier. It actually gives you more features and more different options that you can do in regards to your marketing. But like I said, a free account is just fine. But if you see here, I'm actually on my Canva account, and I'm actually going to click on these 3 little dots. It gives you several different options. And what we're going to be talking about today is Content Planner. It's what it's called. So Content Planner, if you do see it, actually brings up how you say, the calendar for you. So today is actually Friday, and I'm going to be using how you say, Canva to schedule a post for LinkedIn if you have a LinkedIn account. Okay, so today is Friday. I'm going to actually use a old one for how you say, tutorial purposes for this how you say, this training, if you will. So I'm going to go over here real quick, and I'm going to grab this old one, you guys. But the first thing, what I actually like to do, for I won't actually have to go back and forth, and then if I actually don't have it marked somewhere, in other words, is as far as the wording. So what I actually usually do, I go over here first of all, and I copy the text, is what I'm going to do. So it tells you it's copied from the clipboard. Now I'm going to go back over in Canva, you guys, and over in Canva on today's date, if you see a little plus, you click on here, and here you have 2 options. You can actually create a design, which is option, which is amazing. Like I say, it's one of the options, and that means you can just create a design here in Canva, or choose a design, and that means anything that's actually already one of your previous designs, something you already created. So that's what I want to do. So I want to choose that option, and here, bear with me, because my I say my tablet is very, very sensitive. So I'm going to go down, and this is the one. I'm going to pick this one. And if you notice, this is the same one that's actually over here from Facebook. Choose a destination is actually what I want to do. Schedule to, and I want it to go to LinkedIn. Write something, and still I have to write this all over again, you guys. Go back. I'm going to paste it. Okay, now also here in LinkedIn, I don't usually put all this information in. So actually what I can do, Well, actually, we can do that later. I was going to say you can actually take that out if you want to as well. And I'll actually show you what I'm going to do. But schedule today is the 19th. I want to schedule it for today. So you can edit design, make a copy, resize it. I'm going to change date and time today. Actually, I do want to schedule it for today, but I want to make it a little later, you guys. Okay. That's 59. Let's go here. I want to do it maybe around 1 o'clock from now, or an hour from now, okay? So what I'm actually going here, you guys, is, and of course, PM in the afternoon, and then I'm actually going to hit done, okay? And then, of course, save draft. Okay, and it's actually saved, and I also said done, so hopefully it's actually scheduled as well. Let's see, we can go back here, and as you see, as it say, it's scheduled for 1 p.m. today. Okay, so what actually, and I don't even know what that is, you guys. We'll go back. In other words, that's actually, and if you notice here, then it's going to be scheduled for today at 1 p.m. If you, okay, see how it says scheduled for Friday today at 1 p.m. But what's actually going to happen within an hour for today, that post is actually going to schedule. But what I was going to say, if you notice too, you can go in and edit. And all I was saying is I usually take off this information here. You're more than welcome if you actually want to leave it in a lot of times, and I do add my hashtags, but you actually can do that as well. Okay, so this, like I said, was a short very, very quick tutorial in regards to using, and it's called Content Planner, and it's actually over in Canva. Okay, and like I said, I use it for my LinkedIn posts. Of course, you can actually go LinkedIn and actually go on and schedule or post your own posts as well manually. But I'm not the type of person, like I said, I like to be proactive. So in other words, is if you do happen to use LinkedIn, like I said, and you want to be proactive and maybe want to schedule your posts for LinkedIn maybe for the whole week, or how many times you do it, or for a whole month, you can actually use Content Planner in Canva. So like I said, it's a very, very amazing feature that Canva had just recently added. So I actually love it, and I wanted to show you all, like you said, in other words, if you're like me and you like to be proactive and you want to, knock out half the time instead of getting up, like I said, every day and just scrambling all over the place and trying to create a post when you actually can do it. And like I said, I just used an old post from my Facebook, okay? And remember, you can always create one, or you can choose one that you actually already have, okay? So that's just my short tutorial in regards to being proactive and scheduling my post over on LinkedIn, but actually using Canva, okay? I hope this was actually beneficial to you all today. If you definitely have any questions, or would actually like to see some more tutorials, if it's in regards to Facebook, I'm not an expert. I'm not going to tell you all that, or in regards to Canva or LinkedIn, but I am on all of those social platforms. Definitely going to be learning more about Instagram and LinkedIn. Like I said, and I do use Canva frequently. Use it pretty much every day. I love Canva. But like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to send me a DM, a direct message, or you definitely can send me an email, or you can call me, okay? I'm over there. Or you can, like I said, send a direct message on any of my my social platforms, which I'm on Facebook, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and Instagram. Okay, once again, I hope this was valuable to you all. If you don't actually know me, this is Carla Thornton McLean. I'm an Arbonne consultant, as well as Emerce, store owner, CLT Transformation Store, as well as a Transformation Life Coach, okay, of CLT Transformation Life Coach. And if you actually don't know me, feel free to follow me on any of my, like I said, platforms. But like I said, if you have any question in regards to this short tutorial, feel free to reach out to me. Take care, everyone. Please stay safe, stay warm in this trying, challenging times, winter times that we're actually having right now. And I'll talk to you all soon. Take care and bye for now.